NASA has revealed a terrifying new discovery. This one image could end up having serious repercussions on all religious people in the world. Reports have claimed that NASA stumbled upon a celestial wonder. For decades, NASA's diligent team of scientists and astronomers has been trying to uncover the mysteries of the universe, and now they finally have. So, what is this startling revelation, and what does it imply about the nature of existence itself? Join us as we take a look at the mysterious City of God leaked NASA image. A captivating photograph was leaked from deep within the archives of NASA, but the image has resurfaced in recent times, reigniting speculation on social media and raising questions about what it could mean for humanity and religion as we know it. On December 26, 1994, scientists at NASA's headquarters were left dumbfounded by the images captured by the Hubble telescope. Among the vast expanse of space, the photograph revealed a mind-bending sight, a sprawling white city suspended in the middle of the cosmic void. The discovery sent ripples of astonishment through the NASA team, who found themselves grappling with the implications of this otherworldly revelation. What had they just discovered, and was the world ready to see it? Before they could fully comprehend the significance of the image, it managed to reveal itself to the world, perhaps signifying the true power behind it. The Hubble Webb server is typically reserved for confidential research, but in this case, it was somehow mysteriously made accessible to the public. In a matter of moments, the photograph spread like wildfire across the internet, capturing the imagination of millions worldwide. However, the US government swiftly intervened, classifying the images to control public unrest and maintain control over the spread of the information. Despite their efforts, the images had already found their way into the public domain, circulating among the curious public eager to decipher the secrets hidden within. Amidst the chaos, a photographer at Ellington Airfield managed to capture snapshots of the image, revealing a breathtaking galactic landscape replete with towering structures, pillars, and formations that looked very much like man-made architecture. In a pivotal moment of scientific inquiry, Ken Wilson, a professor at the University of Florida, deeply studied the photograph taken by the Hubble Space Telescope. Armed with a powerful handheld magnifier, Wilson delved into the details of the image, focusing on a peculiar foggy spot that defied conventional explanation. Through his meticulous investigation, it became evident that the foggy anomaly was unlike anything we had ever seen before. It had an unconventional shape, and it sparked uncertainty among the scientific community. NASA experts quickly ruled out the possibility of transmission error or lens diffraction, confirming that the image itself was perfectly fine since the telescope was in perfect condition. In response to the perplexing discovery, NASA representatives called for an urgent meeting, trying to come up with a plan to try taking the picture again. Maybe this time they could recapture the area of interest with much better precision. The Hubble telescope was reprogrammed for maximum resolution, its lenses meticulously aligned to focus on the mysterious section of the cosmos. The world held its breath as scientists awaited the results of the mission as the telescope captured the scene unfolding in the depths of space. As the image materialized on the projection screen, a silence fell over the laboratory, which was broken only by the collective gasp of astonishment from the gathered researchers. The once obscured foggy spot had transformed into a mesmerizing display. A structure was glowing in the middle, and it had an uncanny resemblance to some highly futuristic city stretching across the vast expanse of the cosmos. As they seemingly posed for the celestial photograph, their expressions conveyed a sense of shared delight, as if they were imparting a momentous revelation to the cosmos. Intriguingly, accounts of angelic encounters are not confined to this singular event. A scientist who defected from Russia in 1985 disclosed that Soviet cosmonauts had encountered similar luminous entities during a Soyuz mission several years ago. According to his assertions, such celestial beings may be abundant in the cosmos, awaiting discovery through continued exploration. The prospect of revealing evidence that proves the existence of angels looms on the horizon, with the ongoing operation of the James Webb Telescope set to shed further light on this enigmatic phenomenon. The revelation of the angelic imagery on the day following Christmas in 1994 adds a layer of intrigue to the narrative. The timing of this disclosure is something to notice. Could there be an underlying motive behind unveiling this celestial spectacle during a period traditionally associated with themes of goodwill and spiritual contemplation? Christmas serves as a time filled with sentiments of warmth, compassion, and spiritual introspection. It fosters an atmosphere that is conducive to embracing the extraordinary and the divine. Against this backdrop, the unveiling of such extraordinary imagery during the holiday season invites reflection on the intersection of science, spirituality, and the mysteries of the cosmos. The timing of the image's release, strategically placed after Christmas, appears calculated to capture public attention. Post-Christmas, individuals often exhibit heightened spiritual sensitivity, rendering them more receptive to ideas of wonder and celestial significance. Such timing could fuel widespread interest, rapidly disseminating the story to diverse audiences. The strategic alignment with the season's sentiments aims to maximize engagement and outreach. Regarding authenticity, while some assert NASA's unearthing of the unexpected, confirmation of the image's veracity remains pending. The accuracy of the depicted elements in the image remains uncertain, leaving the question of fact versus fiction unanswered. But still, the implications of NASA's mysterious discovery of evidence of various religious traditions have persisted over decades. The spread of false information, a similar narrative unfolded in 2016 when another image circulated online that showcased the gates of heaven within a nebula. Captions accompanying the image claimed that scientists were encountering many obstacles due to their findings. The portrayal of heaven was adorned with sprawling spikes of light extending into space. A closer examination unraveled a curious anomaly. The weird arrangement of these spikes contradicts the expected diffraction patterns observed in images captured by mirror-based telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope. Diffraction spikes, characteristic of mirror-based telescopes, result from the interaction of light with the telescope structure, including the primary mirror and support struts. While these spikes are typically evident around bright stars, their scattered nature in the mysterious image of heaven raised eyebrows. Unlike the distinct cross-shaped diffraction spikes typically observed in Hubble images, the multitude of spikes depicted in the Gates of Heaven picture was clearly arranged in a specific manner to suggest something else. The observable phenomenon deviated from known characteristics, leading to speculation that the image might not be as straightforward as it appeared. Given the anticipated surge in misinformation in an era of increasing accessibility to image editing tools and digital manipulation, distinguishing authentic astronomical discoveries from well-crafted fabrications remains crucial. The intricate nuances of celestial imagery and the scientific principles underpinning their interpretation play a pivotal role in discerning fact from fiction. While many people continue to maintain hope and believe in the authenticity of the image depicting the gates of heaven, its credibility remains an intriguing yet unverified aspect of space exploration lore. But not every case of religious imagery is fake, as in 1999, researchers at NASA received an intriguing email from their colleagues stationed in the Antarctic. The email contained an unexpected plea: send them up to space in search of the face of Jesus Christ. The peculiar request echoed a curious intersection of science and spirituality, prompting a series of investigations aimed at unraveling the phenomenon that intrigued scientists and religious enthusiasts alike. Amidst the cold expanse of the Antarctic region, scientists stumbled upon something that caught their attention, a peculiar stone formation that, upon closer inspection, appeared to form a distinct image resembling the face of Jesus Christ. Captivated by the sight, the researchers embarked on a mission to explore the possible implications of the finding. Initial analysis dismissed the phenomenon as a simple trick of the light, attributing the resemblance to natural rock formations. However, as the images circulated among the scientific community, a collective curiosity emerged, leading to an array of speculations regarding the potential origins of the image and its alignment with religious interpretations. The structure defied all logic and sense and became known as one of the most infamous mysteries of the universe. The entire project took on a life of its own on the internet and became known as the City of God, even within scientific circles. While some believe that it might represent a celestial paradise or a realm inhabited by departed souls, these ideas sound more like a myth than any serious scientific inquiry, according to many within NASA. But could this really be the city where God resides? As researchers delved deeper into the images captured by the Hubble telescope, they unearthed a fascinating revelation. They found that the city wasn't just floating in space, it actually showed a dynamic range of movement synchronized with the galaxies it traveled through. This movement adhered to the fundamental principles of the Big Bang theory, aligning with the established laws governing the universe's expansion and evolution. Scientists couldn't believe this, and they quickly began researching the peculiar motion of the city, visualizing distant corners of the cosmos on a grand scale much like a 3D model projected onto a vast screen. They discovered a curious phenomenon. Contrary to conventional beliefs, it appeared that the universe was not receding from the observer. Rather, it was as if the Earth itself was drifting away from the city of God. Could this mean that there was a potential central nexus within the cosmos? Using advanced computer modeling, researchers drew up how galaxies appeared to migrate away from this confusing focal point. With each new revelation, the city of God unfolded as a profound enigma, much like a labyrinth of cosmic mysteries. Unraveling each piece of the puzzle offered fresh insights into the intricate workings of the universe. It challenges humanity to think beyond the confines of conventional knowledge and think about the wonders that lie beyond the reaches of our world. Many claims have surfaced regarding NASA's reported efforts to hide the remarkable image from public scrutiny. While the motives driving this alleged cover-up remain unknown, speculation about the reason behind concealing such a profound cosmic revelation has been running rampant. The decision to withhold what some deem as the most significant scientific data ever recorded has ignited curiosity, but many doubts linger over the reasons cited, particularly the fear of sparking global panic. It doesn't make sense why the governments would choose to make that decision since the information has been leaked anyway. After meticulous examination, the photograph reveals intricate details that defy conventional explanations rooted in natural science. Heavenly beings uncovered discernible within the image are structures resembling towers, domes, and even what appears to be a watchtower. This suggests the presence of a sprawling galactic city characterized by its futuristic and unconventional geography. Astonishingly, in the middle of these architectural features, sightings of celestial beings reminiscent of angels were also spotted. Initially mistaken for a newly discovered star cluster because of their vibrant hues, further analysis revealed that these luminous entities bore a striking resemblance to living organisms. NASA sources found that these angelic figures emanate a radiant orange glow, adding to the surreal nature of the discovery. Reports indicate the sighting of a group of angels engaged in flight captured within the vicinity of the 3-billion-year-old star cluster NGC 3532. Initially dismissed as an abnormal transmission because of an anticipated malfunction in the $1.5 billion Hubble telescope, later examination revealed much clearer imagery depicting angelic beings towering approximately 50 feet tall, adorned with wings and ethereal halos shrouded in mist-like auras. Could this be the first ever recorded image of angels? A space engineer reported that the beings observed in the Hubble telescope imagery stood approximately 50 feet tall, with wingspans rivaling that of airplanes. Their countenances appeared serene and amicable, exuding an aura of joy.